Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money You. And today video I'm going to show you how to create your email marketing and send email to all your contact in your email list. That is today's video. So without further ado, let's go and start. First things you need to log in your Getrespone account because we're using Getrespone today. So first thing, you need to log into your Getrespone account. If you haven't got your Getrespone account yet, I'm leaving the link. I got the link down below this video. You can sign up with them. It's very easy to sign up and is free as well. You can have a 30 days free trial with Getrespone. There's no credit card needed. So if you want to sign up today with them, click the link in description below this video. I'm going to leave the link there for you. So click that link and sign up with them so you can go along with me if you want to do that. Okay, let's start our video. Right, now you are already signed up with Getrespone, or you already logged into your account in Getrespone. First thing we need, you need to have contact, right? So we need to have contact first. We need to know this email, who are we going to send to, right? So I'm going to show you, this is contact. You need to click there. I'm talking about contact. You need to create a contact list or add contact. If you go email in your computer for the customer, or you go another provider, you can add here, or you can create listing, right? So me, I already create one here. So this is the first thing we need. You need to have contact. You need to know who are we going to send this email to, right? So now when you finish that, if you already have the contact, now come back to tools and go to email marketing. Right, we're going to create our email marketing. Now we come here, create newsletter. So we click this one here and we come here. Right. So this is the layout is going to look like. So we're going to start with here. Let's give title for this our newsletter or our email, first email. So it might be like, let's say this is the example I'm giving. This might be our first email. This is just for your own reference. The people you're going to send the email, they won't be able to see this, right? So now we come, the next thing here is linked list. So this is the contact I was talking about. You need to know where this email, where we're going to send, which listing, if it's people who are subscribed from your YouTube channel, or if it's people they buy this certain product. So you need to know. That's what the reason we're supposed to create listing. So here I'm going to choose, I already create one, let's say YouTube, right? So this is just for this video, for this video purpose, right? So now we come in, the next thing here is from email address and reply to. These are already automatic here, right? In your Getrespone. This from, this means the email, when the people they receive your email, they're going to know where this email come from. And the reply to is where they can reply to. This is the email where they can reply to. So if you want to change, you can change, but usually it's automatic, is already here, right? So now we come in the next step here, which is subject line. This is very, very important. You need to put a subject line which is going to make these people, they want to click your email. So you need to make sure this the subject line is very catching and very, very attractive, really, so people they can click. Like, let's say I'm going to give you an example. Let me find here one. I create one subject line here. So let's come here. Here is like this subject line. Let's paste this one. Right, so for example, like if let's say I'm promoting this product about traffic, or about people they can, the business people, they want to receive more customer, right? So subject line I put here, $0, get more customers this month. So this, anyone who's doing business is obviously want to click this email, because who doesn't want to have customer? So this kind of subject line I'm talking about, right? And when you finish this, now is for people who going to receive this email, so we're going to add them, right? So let's see here which list we say we're going to do YouTube, right? So if you go at, like, if you want to click as many, like if you want to click this one and this one, you can add all of them. Let's say I want to this one and this one, I want to add all of these, so you can add. This means these people who are in list in YouTube and this one, they are going to receive this email I'm going to send today. Okay, now when you finish here, we come in here to design message. So now let's click here. Here we're going to design our message now. Right here you go, load of these templates you can choose from, right? But I like to use simple and clear. When you use simple, is it's very easy, people they can click and they can receive the message. So I like to use blank template, really. So here we come here, now we're going to use this one, is blank. Now when you get here, this one to make it as simple as possible, right? So we're using this one. We're going to take this text, we add here. So here is where we're going to paste our email. I already create email here. Let's say here, I'm going to paste here. This is our email. I like to change. So okay, right. So here, dear sir or madam, or if you want, because you are, maybe you are listing, when people was landing to your landing page, they put their name, so you want to address them by their name, their first name. So we're going to do here, you see here, like this. We're going to come here, we're going to choose their first name. So dear, their first name, and this is the email, right? So if you want to add your affiliation link, let's say here, you can come here, you can highlight this, and let's say we go our affiliation link. Let me find any link here, and we can highlight this one, and you come here, this one, and we paste our link here. Okay, we click insert, and there, that is our link, our affiliation link we already put there. And here, make sure you put your name at the end. Okay, right, so that is our email. Let's check if it pass spam check. You click here, and good, you see, good to go. So this, our email, it pass spam check. This means it won't go to spam in the email. When you send to someone's email, you go direct to their inbox, and they can click. By the time they click, you get commission. So now let's click next. You come here, you click next. When you click next, now we already go our email. So our email contain everything is fine. We already title this one, we already put our subject line, and the people want, they can receive this email, we go them here, and this is our email. And now it's up to you. Now you can send email, you can click send email, or you can share your for later. Maybe you want to have a specific time you want to send this email, or specific day you want to send this email. You can schedule that, or you can just send here. Let me see here, let me send. Click send. There, great job. We'll send your email in. So this is your email is going to be gone there, right? Okay, and that's how you send your first email to your customer or to your email listing, right? So thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe in my channel. I do appreciate your love and support. My name is Mivumbi. Until next time, see you. Take care. Bye.